Hey everyone, in today's Gym Beginner Series video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a high intensity interval training or HIIT workout using a pair of dumbbells. HIIT workouts are great because you can get a lot done in a short amount of time, and you also don't need to worry about equipment being in use. Now what you want to do is grab the equipment you're going to use. With HIIT workouts, you can use a wide variety of equipment, especially the functional training ones. For today, we're going to keep it simple and use a pair of dumbbells, and I have a nice empty spot over there so we can move around. So here I have my pair of dumbbells and a mat and plenty of space to work on. And something else that's very essential when you're doing a HIIT workout is a timer app. So I use an app called Seconds, and it allows me to build a wide variety of timers. So for today's workout, it's going to be a simple 40 seconds of work. So 40 seconds at a high intensity and 20 seconds of rest. And we're going to go 3 sets per exercise. I'm just gonna name this. When there's 40 seconds here, that's when we're working. And then when it turns to 20 seconds, that's when we're resting. And it counts you off, so you know exactly what you need to do. And once this timer is done, you can use that time to reset and get into the next exercise. I'd say try to get to that next exercise in under a minute. And the next thing you want to figure out are the 5 to 8 exercises you want to complete in those intervals. So here are some exercises that came top of mind when I wanted to set up a full body HIIT workout. We're going to do push-ups, goblet squats, dumbbell shoulder presses, dumbbell Romanian deadlifts, and dumbbell lunges to curls. To do push-ups, we're going to place our wrists underneath our shoulders. If you need to modify this, you can come onto the knees. You're going to lower your body down and then push, down, and then push for that 40-second work interval. Next up, we're gonna do goblet squats. So grab one dumbbell. We're gonna hold it up by the head like a goblet. Our feet are shoulder width apart with our toes pointed slightly outwards. We're going to push our hips back like we're sitting down, coming down low, extending our legs, driving through the heels, down and up. We're gonna do this for 40 seconds. Now I have both dumbbells here. Next, we're gonna be doing dumbbell shoulder presses. We're gonna bring the dumbbells up, turn our elbows outwards. We're going to press up overhead, and then come down, up, and then down. Keep going for 40 seconds. Next, we're gonna go into Romanian deadlifts. Deadlifts are a very key movement when you're working out. It involves a hinge. I have my dumbbells over here. I'm gonna have them face towards my thighs. A hinge is different than a squat. So when we're hinging, our hips are coming back, they're not lowering down. Squat looks like this. Hinge looks like this. All right, so roll the shoulders, keep that back straight. Common issue when people are trying to do a deadlift around their back, like so. Keep that back straight. Gliding down, slight bend in the knees as we push back. Once you feel that tension in those hamstrings, we're gonna come back up and then lower back down. Working for 40 seconds. Finally, the last exercise, compound movement. We're gonna be doing lunges and curls. So holding onto the dumbbells, we're gonna bring one leg forward, go into a lunge, knees right above the ankles. Then we're going to curl, switch legs. Leg comes forward, down, curl, repeat. And once you've completed this workout, you can do an ab burner to finish it off or go straight into the cool down. Speaking of which, the next episode in this series is actually the ab burnout. So if you want to check it out, click on the video in the top right. Thanks for watching.